It can be frustrating when you're trying to share the perfect track but you can't find the right link. Well, I'm here to help. Follow these steps and you're going to have the URL in no time. So first, open the Spotify app and search for the artist that you want. When you find them, tap on their name to open their profile. Second, on the artist profile page, tap the three dots on the top right corner. This will bring up more options. Third thing, select the share option and you will see a copy link option. Tap on it and now you have the artist's URL copied to your clipboard. Fourth, you can also go to the Spotify web player and search for the artist. So once you find them, you can copy the URL directly from the browser. Fifth thing is if you want to share the link in a playlist, just follow the same steps and add the URL to your playlist description. Now you know how to find any artist link, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if this helped you. If you tried it and it worked, see you soon. Love ya. Ciao.